Guys, today I will teach you a top shot. Top shot it's a very simple, very nice card technique. It's my favorite card technique. Let's go. So guys, today I will teach you how to do a top shot. Top shot is one my favorite card technique. So be sure to learn it. Let's learn right away. Not just a top shot, but in card trick. How to a card trick top shot. Yes. The card trick will be simple, that is. The spectator choose the card, you lost it, you click and the card was in your hand. Very nice, very simple, let's go. So, how do we do this trick? You ask a spectator touch any card, he remember it. You control it in any way to the top of the deck. I do it with the help of a classic pass, like this. But this is for those who know how to do it. Basically, you can use any other control. And let's get back to the top shot itself. How to make it. The most important thing here is the grip. You hold the deck like this. Just erase and repeat. Probably the most difficult thing will be to shot this card. Yes, it will be difficult, but you need to practice. Just see how it looks. Take a deck and repeat in another way will not work. Let's watch it in slow motion, how to do it. Because top shot is a really cool thing. And I think everyone should learn it. So guy, take it, learn and train. Watch how to do it right.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I hope my video helped you learn the top shot and now you how to do it. Guy, thank you all for watching my video. Goodbye.